Hi, I'm Deep Singh, the Director of Operational Resilience and Crisis Management Services here at Mjolnir Security. Today, you're joining me in our Toronto office as we look to discuss and learn a little bit about crisis management. Crisis management is the process of preparing for an unlikely or unexpected event that could jeopardize the business operations of an organization, often leading to financial, legal, operational, or reputational risk to the organization's brand. Here at Mjolnir Security, it's our job to help prepare our clients and customers for when a crisis or disaster may strike. Now, what are some of the key elements when planning for a potential crisis? One of the areas we like to really promote to our clients is the focus and emphasis on effective communications. Having a crisis communications plan in place during a crisis event can help ensure that you have a unified voice and messaging that goes out to your clients. You can maintain stakeholder and brand trust, and you can also reassure your customers, clients, and partners that you are managing the event so that they do not feel that they're being left stranded or hanging. Failure to communicate effectively has led to many case studies where organizations have continued to suffer from the blowback of a potential crisis or incident for many months and years following. Effective communication during a crisis will actually help you mitigate some of those potential brand damages and help you maintain the trust of your customers and clients throughout the crisis event.